folks. It's Sheer Boom 87. You're tuned into the trail. Let's ride the sky. We hit the gravel, BLM Road 153. Sun's high, the wind, the dust, it's all set free. Slick rock listening under Utah's blue. Muddy footprints from a distant ancient crew. Copper Ridge, where the desert breeze, dinosaur tracks, feel the earth's heartbeat. Mountains kiss the sky, horizons wide. Ride the trail, let the spirit glide. We climb the steps, 18 inches tall. Every turn a story, every rock a call. Slick rock, sandy wash, sceneries rhyme. The trails of Kansas painted in time. Copper Ridge, where the desert breeze, dinosaur tracks, feel the earth's heartbeat. Mountains kiss the sky, horizons wide. Ride the trail, let the spirit glide. From spring's bloom to winter's hush, the rich stay steady, never a rush. ATVs, UTVs, Jeeps in sync, feel the pulse of the land. Let's sing. At the tracks, a sorrow pot stride, theropods whisper, ancient guide. Pause, we stare, the past in view. In the heart of Utah, we feel a new Copper Ridge, where the desert breeze, dinosaur tracks, feel the earth's heartbeat. Mountains kiss the sky, horizons wide. Ride the trail, let the spirit glide. 3 to 4 hours, we've carved a day. Thank you for joining, the journey's okay. Sheer Boom 80.